Hi, this is Tech First T for you. I'm Makawai taking you to today's video. Today we're going to use Microsoft Word to design a very simple poster, just like the one you see on the screen here. To begin, launch Microsoft Word. We have a blank Microsoft Word page here. This is an A4 sheet. In case you want something like a square, you can go to Layout and then go to Size, more paper sizes, and then you can input the size you want here. So for a square, both sides have to be equal. The width and the height have to be equal. I'm going to use an A4 for this design. Okay, so let's go to design. I want to change the background here to something gray so that the elements will be visible. This is fine. Let's insert the first element. Go to Insert, Shapes, Text box. Just increase it a little bit. Type the first word, prayer. Let's put it in the center. Then increase the size. Just keep clicking. I think this is fine. This is fine. Now let's pick a bold font style. Oh, looks too big. Decrease the font size a bit. This is fine. Let's remove the background from the text box, and there's a thin border around it as well. Go to shape format. Make sure the text box is selected. Otherwise, you're not going to see this tab. Click on it and then go to shape fill. No fill. Shape outline. No outline. That's fine. Now let's make this text white. That's fine. For the next element, we're going to insert another text box. Just right over here. Increase this a bit. Now what I'm going to add, if you want to grow, read your Bible, pray every day, pray every day. I think this is fine. Let's increase it a bit. If you want to grow, that's fine, that's fine. Okay. Now let's take off the background and the border around this. Make sure it's selected. Go to shape formats, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, no fill. Okay. To move the text box around, make sure the symbol on the cursor looks like this and not this. And then you can move it around. When it turns into something like this, you're going to be resizing rather than moving. Okay. This looks fine. Now let's add the last element. Sorry, let's change the color here first to white. Now let's add the last element. Insert and then pick another text box. We're going to put some contact information down here. Call 054 XXXXXXXX, and then you can use the symbol 020 XXXXXX. Okay, that's fine. Now let's center it. New to home. This is fine. Let's increase the size a little bit. This looks okay. Let's make it bold as well. Okay. And then white. Let's remove the background and the border. Outline of no fill. Okay. You can shift this down a bit more. Okay, this is fine. Now that we're done adding the first few elements, we can add the picture of the man you saw earlier. I have a stock image here from pexels.com, but then you can see that there's a background. There's a background around it. So in order to take out this background, we're going to use a free online background removal tool. Now, Microsoft Word has a background removal tool, but it's not as effective as the one we're going to use. So go to this website, photoroom.com. Photoroom.com, and then highlight photo editor, AI background remover, select it. Okay, now we're just going to drag and drop our image. Drag and drop. Okay. Okay, it's done removing the background. Click download, standard download. Okay. Now let's minimize this. The image has been saved in downloads. Let's go back to our Microsoft Word document. Now we're going to insert the backgroundless image. Go to downloads over here. You'll find it over here. Just copy and paste. Right, drag and drop. If you try to move the image from here, you realize that it's not movable. What you need to do is right click on it and then go to wrap text. Wrap texts in front of text or behind text if you want it that way, but in front of text is good for me. This will allow you to move the image anyhow you want. Go to picture format and then rotate. We're going to flip it horizontally. This looks fine. Zoom out a bit so you can see the whole design. Let's bring this down here and then increase the size. Yes, this looks fine. Now let's bring this forward. Now that something is covering it, you can right click on it and then click this, bring to front. Now it's in front of every other element. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is change the background. Go to design and then page color. Select black. This looks fine. This looks fine. Now let's add our last color here. I'm going to change the R of the braille to something yellow. Highlight it. Go to home and then let's pick this. And then over here, you can select this text or just anything at all you want. And then change the color as well. Now we have a very simple poster created here using Microsoft Word. You can adjust every element as you wish. Okay, I think we're done. Now, how do we take it out of here? Are we going to just save it as a Word document? Yes, we're going to save it as a Word document. So save, I'm going to save it on desktop. Save it on desktop. Poster. Okay, the poster is here. Now we're going to use another free online tool to change this into a PDF and then turn a PDF into an image, a JPG file. To change it, we're going to use this simple website, smallpdf.com. When you come here, go to tools, and then Word to PDF. Now let's drag and drop our Word document. It's uploading. Okay, it has been turned into a PDF. Now we're going to export as image, JPG. Click this option. Convert entire page, yes. Now you can download. Okay, I think we're done. Now go back to downloads and you see your poster. All right, this is the poster we just designed using Microsoft Word. Thank you for being here today. If you want to watch more videos like this, kindly subscribe and click on the notification icon so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is released. Remember to leave a message in the comment section. I want to hear what you think about these videos. Have you been able to do this? Have you been able to follow this video? Thank you.